100,000.
Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe at nanonood ng mga videos namin.
Salamat jud kaayo sa tanan ng mga nagtanaw sa among mga video bitaw.
Damon duro nga salamat sa nagkikita namon mga mahusay nga video. Joke la.
Maraming pong salamat. We made it to 100,000 subscribers. In fact, we're at more than 100,000 subscribers now.
Yes, 100.
It's been such a long time that we've been doing YouTube now. I started taking this seriously in May 2016. It is now May 2018. It's been 2 years and we finally made it to 100k. Diba, bebe? Kayo po ang dahilan kung bakit buhay pa ang Dwanta channel. Kasi if you guys haven't been watching and subscribing, we would not have the motivation to keep doing this. You guys give us that drive to keep this going. Alam ko, hindi kami nag-upload ng isang video ng sobrang tagal na. Umalis kasi ako sa ibang bansa para sa work. Si Shanta din may work siya, ganon. But now Dwanta is back! We are back! And what better way to make a comeback than with Dear Dwanta Part 3! Yeah! Woohoo!
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Dear Dwanta. This time, Shanta is not standing on a box. I am just slightly bending over so we both fit in the frame. This is my actual height. And
They can
Shanta, are
see
you
you.
standing on your feet? Yeah, there you go. Boom.
I can stand my toes.
Shanta, anong height mo?
5.
5? Ano?
Maybe it's for 11 actually, but I always say 5.
It's 4. It's not even 5 foot. Shanta is 5 foot and I am 6 foot. There's a foot difference between us. Grabe, no? We have had a lot of comments all throughout YouTube with Dear Dwanta, please do this, Dear Dwanta, please do that. So today we have chosen 3 challenges na gagawin namin.
Get this party started! Joke lang.
Yum.
Ayun ko na ito yung food makarangod.
It's my own pie.
Now, it's not open. This is from Ashera Goshen. Oh. Dear Dwanta, gusto ko marinig ang boses niyo kumanta, lalo na si Mrs. Wooly.
Wow, lalo na ikaw ang bida. Baby, what should we sing? What should we sing?
We will sing High School Musical.
That's when we go like we did at our wedding?
Yeah.
Ayaw. Oh yeah. It's hard to believe that I couldn't see that you were always there beside me. Thought I was alone with no one to hold, but you were always there beside me.
This feeling's like no other.
I want you to know I've never had someone that knows me like you do, the way you do. I've never had someone as good for me as you, no one like you. So lonely before I finally found what I've been looking for. Do 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 do. Oh, 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 oh. No, it's your part. Dear Dwanta, from LDR to you, can you do Daran Tanong Challenge? I ask you a question and you have to answer with a question.
But
I
it
have to
should-
answer the question.
but it's not
until
connected.
wala ka na. Huh?
Like the question isn't connected. You just keep on asking questions.
No, it has to be connected.
No,
it has to
it's
make
not.
sense. Yeah, it has to
No,
make
it
sense.
shouldn't.
Ano ka ba?
Oh, did you hurt you?
No, baby.
I thought I hurt you.
Alright, go.
Nagugutom ka ba? Yo! Lose! Matalino ka ba? Ching!
Nakakainis! Okay, ako na mag-start.
No,
Ako na
I want to
mag-start.
start. No, I want to start.
No, I'm starting now. Because you got to start twice. Alright, ready?
You just
Ready?
stared
Go,
at
go.
me.
Saan ka ba nag-eskwela? Talo agad.
Eric, nakakatawa ko yung words mo rin mo. Saan ka ba nag-eskwela? Saan ka ba? It's Tagalog and Waray.
Well, doesn't matter. You understood it.
Do it
Basta
properly.
naintindihan mo.
No, do it properly.
Alright. Basta, it's 2-1 na. It's 2-1 na. Alright, you ready?
Oh, very good.
What's your name?
Ilang taon ka na?
Bakit may pakialam ka?
Bakit ka nagagalit?
Bakit mas magalit ka kaysa akin?
Bakit ba may 1 minute na matagal kang sumagot?
Anong problema mo?
Ba't ka nagtatagalog?
Bakit ka nag-worry?
Bakit ako maganda?
Bakit ako gwapo?
Kumaya ka sa akin! Ano?
Ah,
That's the question! That's the question! What is the question?
bahay ko to, no?
Bahay ko din to, no?
Feelingera ka, di ba?
Ang tagal mong sumagot, no?
Madali lang to, basta may no sa katapusan, no?
Bakit ka tumatawa?
Bakit mas tumatawa ka kaysa sa akin?
Bakit ganyan yung buhok mo?
Bakit ganun yung mukha mo?
Bakit ang mean mo?
Bakit? Hindi ako mean, no?
Question!
Walang katapusan to, basta may no or di ba sa
No,
katapusan.
it's different. How about we ask each other in English? Let's try it in English.
Okay,
Come on.
sure.
Maybe I will be loading.
Okay, why do you want to speak English all the time?
I don't speak. Ah!
Talo tayo.
Why do you have wrinkles on your eye?
Why do you keep asking me about the way I look?
Why do you have nice eyebrows?
Why did you say I have nice eyebrows, but then I don't have nice wrinkles?
Can't I have your eyebrows, please?
Can't I just
Can't
go
I?
home now?
Can't. You didn't notice that?
I
What?
win.
No,
I win.
you didn't notice that?
Where? You said you didn't notice that. That was a statement.
No,
not a
I said
question.
you didn't notice that.
No, it should be. Didn't you notice that? No, you didn't notice that.
Oh yeah, I realized. This is from It's Not You, It's Me, Sarah Go Bermundo. Dear Dwanta, do the spicy noodles challenge.
Spicy noodles challenge.
Yes, we have the mala noodles, malala,
Times how many?
times 4.
Ah.
Ito yung noodles na kakainin namin. Ito yung 4 times, kaya mala siya kasi malala siya. Joke lang. Hindi ko alam ba't mala yan. But they say na ito 4 times spicier than yung original.
4 times spicier than the original spicy noodle challenge. This is gonna be torture, man.
Okay, let's open this one.
I've never done this before, and I don't really like spicy food, and I don't understand why people like spicy food. You can't taste anything else. It's just burning hot.
I like spicy food.
Ngayon, magluto na tayo.
Anong ruhin eh?
You just have to eat it. Just eat it. Drink as
You
much
can-
milk as you
you
want.
can-
We
So,
might.
the first one to finish it first, like all of
Yes,
it?
yes.
I'm like the dog.
Yes.
1. You
Oh.
count.
3, 2, 1. Mmm.
Tastes good.
Mmm. Mmm.
It
Oh.
doesn't taste good, it smells good.
Oh. Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh. I'm good.
I thought this was 4 times.
Mm. What do you mean? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's so spicy. Woo! Oh. Oh. You don't have to finish it, I already won. Why are you still eating? Oh man, this milk isn't helping. Oh.
We're finished. Hey, we're finished. It's so exciting. I think I'm gonna cry.
Do we have ice in the freezer? Oh. Maraming salamat po sa ang init. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood sa mga video namin at abangan niyo po ang mga upcoming video namin dito sa channel ng Dwayne Woolley aka Dwanta. It's been such a long time since we've been uploading videos regularly. I'm so excited to be making videos again and editing again, di ba bebe?
Yes.
Ikaw din?
Ako din, kailangan ko pang mag-edit. Ang dami ko pang kailangan i-edit.
If you want to check out some of Shanta's videos as well, I'll link her channel in the description below. Shanta Woolley ang i-search nyo sa YouTube. I-search na yan! Kita-kits sa sunod mga kadwanta! Bye-bye!
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me